How to make only friends or friends can see posts you've tagged in on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only friends or friends can see posts you've tagged in on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and then click profile, not profile, click profile and tagging. And here you will find who can see post you've tagged in on your profile. Click on it and then just click friends of friends. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.